I'm Dr. Anna Saylor with Van Everett Family Chiropractic Center, and it's a beautiful spring day here in Michigan. So if you're like me, you did a lot of stuff this past weekend or this last week gardening. So because we've been sedentary all winter long and we're coming out of hibernation, here's a couple quick tips to make sure that you are feeling great through this gardening season. First of all, sandwich your chiropractic adjustments. And by that, if you plan on gardening or going into the weekend, get an adjustment before you start to get you where you should be and get an adjustment right when you get done. So we keep you there. We want to keep your body in a really good position. We want to keep your muscles nice and strong and your body where it should be. So that being said, when you're gardening, a couple key things, and I know a lot of you hear these things, but making sure that you are taking the breaks you need, making sure you're drinking water so stay hydrated. And if you're drinking water every 15 minutes, you take a little bit of a break. And my dog's in the window listening to my voice, so he wants to come outside and enjoy this beautiful spring day too. Okay, so back to it. Making sure you're drinking your water, taking your rest. They're using the proper tools. So things like using a wheelbarrow to move heavy pots around, making sure that you're using equipment that have long handles so you're not bending over too much. If you're on the ground, make sure you're using the knee pads to get around or sit on the ground so you're not lifting and bending. Make sure you're using your legs, not just your back. So those little things, making sure you're having good shoes and proper footwear makes a big difference. So once again, I'm Dr. Anna Saylor. So if you have any questions, call our office and we're here to take care of you. Enjoy this beautiful day.